This is my THRUSTMASTER. This is the HOTUS X. Now this can separate, the throttle can separate from the main body. There's two hex screws and a place to keep the hex wrench underneath if you want to separate them. This one can be used on PC or PS3. Has a single USB cord. It's pretty long. You can map it and use the presets. Very accurate accelerator over here, throttle, and great joystick. So many buttons, everything you need for Flight Simulator or for mechs, and buttons galore. You can map them, of course, as I mentioned. The bases are weighted so that you get a great feel and you don't have to put any effort into keeping the controller steady. And overall, they look cool, they function well. They've got the defaults and the presets where you'd expect them to be, and really perform well for flight sims and for mech. Hope this helps.